How to fix Atomic Heart audio/sound not working. 1. Set the default audio device to 24-bit, 48,000 Hz, studio quality. 2. Check your audio settings. Tab. Options Audio Settings. 3. Update your audio drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Check your system sound settings. 5. Exit then restart the game. Refer to the IMG above. 6. Restart your PC. 7. Verify game files in Steam. 8. Uninstall, reinstall, re-update your new game.